Rollers make you go, ow! Either when you're putting them in, sometimes your hair gets pulled, and if you try to sleep in them, oh, what a pain in the head. But even though you'll say, ow, a lot, at the end, when you see the results, it's gonna make you go, wow. Wow. What's the first sound? Excellent. Number 2, wow. Same problem we always have. There's 2 ways of spelling ow. If you're thinking this one, nope. OU is for words that have the ow in the middle of the word. But in wow, it's the last sound. So let's go for this one. Ow. One more time. Wow. Wah. Ow. Today, let's use rollers to cover up the part that I want you to remember. Ow at the end of a word is spelled with O-W. Wow! Let's sound it out together. Wah! Ow! And that, my friends, is how you spell ow at the end of a word. Thanks for watching, cutie.